The Sunrise Readers starter level books now have learners' kits to accompany them. Already we're receiving enthusiastic and positive responses from parents and teachers who are using them. Today, let's look at Sunrise Readers Book 1, Friends, Learner's Kit. This learner's kit includes cut-out character cards for learners to use to retell the story. They use them also for role play, empathy work, imagining different endings and new stories, and more. The essential skills required in retelling a story include memory practice, sequencing of events, and understanding the text. And these are all vital skills in the process of learning to read. So we strongly recommend cutting out these character cards and letting the children play with them. The learners' kits also include an individual A4 alphabet chart. Learners can refer to these when sounding out or writing new words. For example, how do I write cat? Well, sound it out. K, a, t. Find k. Yes, copy that down. Now find a. Yes, copy that down. Find t. Can you find t? Yes, copy that down. Let's read it. K, at, cat. Well done. The starter level learners kits also include small word cards to cut out. These are useful for practicing when each word is introduced, and then for building sentences, matching sentences, and for playing word games. A key to the activity book instructions is also provided here. The Book 1 Friends Learners Kit is accompanied by a free downloadable ebook teacher's or parent's guide. This guide gives detailed day-by-day lesson plans, explaining how to complete the activities in the workbooks and giving fresh new ideas to make learning fun. We believe learning takes place best when children are as active as possible. Their little bodies need to move as much as possible in order to grow well. Our Teacher's Parents Guide contains lots of busybody ideas to ensure that this happens. Even experienced teachers have told us that the new ideas in this guide are fresh, fun, and refreshing. Now, unlike Sunrise Readers Books 2 and 3 Learners Workbook Kits, Sunrise Readers Book 1 Learners Workbook Kit contains 2 48-page activity workbooks. This is because we assume that when children begin their first year of formally learning to read, parents or teachers will need to spend the first 3 or 4 weeks reviewing the sounds that the children have learned the previous year. At the same time, they will be introducing the sight words that are relevant for Book 1 Friends. When they begin the second workbook for Book 1 Friends, they will continue to be learning the new sight words and reading and writing in the workbook. All of this is explained very clearly in the Teacher's Parents Guide that accompanies the learners' kits, and we give a very easy-to-use overview of how to teach reading in the Sunrise Readers Teacher's Manual, which is also available free of charge online. Now here you see the front page of the first workbook. The guide will tell you how to talk about the picture, who is in it, and one day at a time, children will be asked to draw a line linking the character with the first letter in his or her name. Now we'll see some examples of the activities in the activity books. At this stage in learning to read and write, learners are given the opportunity to color and trace each new sight word as it's introduced. It's also a fun activity to have learners glue little objects like rice grains into the shapes of the letters. Tactile learning is very beneficial for many children. Parents or teachers will be watching carefully to ensure that letters are being formed correctly, with learners starting to write each letter at the little arrow points indicated on the worksheet. When a new word is introduced, learners are sent on a word hunt. Again, instructions are in the guide. Word cards are placed around the room and learners have to find them. Depending on their progress, learners can write a L for look on this page in their workbooks whenever they find a word card, or they can copy the whole word once and write the number of the word cards that they've found. Or some learners may be able to write the full word look for each card they find. The learner's kits recognize that every learner learns at his or her own pace. It's a lot of fun looking for these words. We aim to give learners plenty of opportunities to practice their reading in these activity books. Many pages include short sentences or stories to practice reading as well as writing. Activities are soon varied. Here, when the word O is introduced, we remind learners that O is a word we say to express surprise, and it can be negative or positive. For example, oh, a snake, oh, or oh, an ice cream, oh. Plenty of repetition throughout the books consolidates learning. Now the learners practice the sight words that they have been learning in reading sentences. Using picture power, we would talk about this picture, and then the parent or teacher would read the short story to the learners using pointer power to glide the finger under the words from left to right. So parent or teacher reads it first, and then the learners would read the sentences aloud at least twice more using their pointer power. We would ask the learner, "Now, who do you think is saying this? Who is saying, 'Oh, look, Tatenda, look'? Who's talking in this picture?" And learners will work out that David is showing his toys to Tatenda. So it's David who's talking here. This is the very beginning of informally preparing for direct speech. Now, why not act it out with the character cards? Someone can be David and someone else can be Tatenda. Homeschooling mum and dad, if you've got one pupil, the other participant is probably you. Here we have an example of other activities in the workbooks. Recognizing the outline shape of a word is also a basic skill. This page involves talking, reading, and writing, with comprehension involved. Who is up? Look at the picture. Jenny is up. Each starter level reading book has simple sounds or phonics activities in it. They are duplicated in the activities books because learners obviously don't write in their reading books. Here's another example of further reading practice given. We believe in giving lots of repetition of words to reinforce learning. And clearly, in this activity page, you would first of all read the guide to get all of the ideas as to how to teach this and how to make it fun. But first of all, picture power would be used to examine and talk about what's happening in the picture. And then the parent or the teacher, using their pointer power, would read through the short story with lots of expression, followed by the learners reading through the short story with their pointer power at least twice. Remember, children gain confidence with repetition. It's not boring for them. Here we reinforce the concept of the meaning of up and down. It's all very useful for second language learners. Children use their visual discrimination skills and they love examining this fun picture to talk about what is up and what is down. Will your learner notice the owl in the tree, the monkey dangling, a snake, and a helicopter flying high? They'll really enjoy examining this picture in detail. Again, use the parents' or teacher's guide for the ideas to make this lesson most useful and most fun. By the time your learner gets to this page, he or she will know exactly what to do. They'll feel confident and purposeful. And now we have sample pages for you from the second activity workbook that we provide with the Book 1 Learner's Kit. Building sentences plays an important role in learning to read. In the activity workbooks, we give the learners the opportunity to read the words, trace the words, and then cut them out to order the sentence correctly. We encourage you to allow the children to cut the words out themselves, even if it's messy. This provides practice for their fine motor control and their dexterity. Your learner will enjoy this activity and he'll feel fulfilled and satisfied by getting this age-appropriate task right. Confidence is very important in learning to read. More read and color activities are provided, reinforcing recognition of the sight words and using them in sentences. In this activity, learners will look at the picture to see what's happening in the story using their picture powers. Parents or teachers will read the story using pointer power left to right, followed by learners reading the story using their pointer power, and then learners will color in or circle the appropriate words using red, blue, or green. Now here are a few further samples of the activities in Learner's Kit Book 1 Workbook 2, and each page is a lesson on its own, with step-by-step lesson plan provided in the parents' or teacher's guide. Another read, color, and trace activity with the outline shape of the word practiced and reinforcing the concept of hear. Another sample of a work page to reinforce the word hear. On this worksheet, we introduce the children to a word search for the first time. All they have to do is find 12 words and read them aloud. Of course, you can see they're going to be asked to draw a picture of their own invention of a car and read the sentence, "Come and see my car." They'll really enjoy this page. The parent or teacher will read the teacher's guide to see how to present the lesson for this page. Basically, we're practicing the strange little word "the" with all the different activities that the children will already be expecting at this time. This is a page from the children's reading book, Book 1, Friends. The children will read and color, but they'll also enjoy the activity of picking out certain words. For example, they will find see and circle or color that word red. The, circle and color it green. They'll notice a pattern in the sentences here. We provide another talking and visual discrimination page, giving the learners pleasurable interaction with examining a picture. It's a little like Where's Waldo, if you are familiar with that. Learners will thoroughly enjoy working in pairs or in groups of 3 or 4 if you're in a classroom, or with you, homeschooling parent. Children love this activity, and there's often a lot of giggling over each cameo picture. Remember to scrutinize this page and talk about what's happening in each little incident. It's a whole lesson, this one. The parents' teachers' guides for each workbook give good advice on the teaching of capital letters to start a sentence or to use with proper nouns. Here you see an activity matching the capitals to the lowercase words. Children love matching games. There are lots of free downloadable resources, including similar games, on our website. To play this game in Workbook 2, the learners will match the small word cards provided in the kit to each picture. We hope that this has given you an in-depth taste of what is included in our Book 1 Friends Learners Kits. Using these kits will lay a solid foundation in learning to read and write for your children. Best wishes.